Serial entrepreneur Elon Musk, he is on a roll with Tesla Motors and SolarCity. That's put an extra $2.9 billion, count them, 2.9, in his pocket. Joining us now to discuss is Joe White. He's one of our automobile columnists, and he is in Detroit. Joe, thanks for being here. Let's just sort of walk through the nuts and bolts of how Elon is getting richer this year. Tell us a little bit about Tesla. How much is his stake there increased?
Well, it's increased quite a lot. I mean, he got some options, which I can come back to, about a year ago for $31 a share. The stock is trading above $100 a share, as at least before I walked into this room. His total stake in Tesla is now worth more than $3 billion at current prices. He put a lot of his own money into Tesla to keep it afloat during the last several years as it sort of bumped along during the recession. But he's certainly quite wealthy now, and he could get even wealthier if this options plan that his board has approved kicks in. So that's the biggest part of it that we can see. SolarCity, another of his companies and investments, is also doing pretty well, and his stake in that appears to be now worth more than $1 billion.
Now, people also know Elon Musk because he's a major investor in privately held SpaceX. That's a commercial space exploration company that he co-founded. Let's go back a little bit to Tesla, Joe, because Tesla's been in the news, and you know this as an automobile columnist, quite a bit lately, getting a huge endorsement from Consumer Reports. Tell us why things are looking so good with the newest model of Tesla, because that's obviously contributing to Elon's personal wealth.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of excitement about Tesla. It's new. It's the first sort of seemingly successful startup automaker at any scale in quite a while, certainly in the United States. It appears to be the survivor, or one of the survivors, in the shakeout of the electric car business that's going on here, and I think symbolized for most of our viewers by the collapse of Fisker. So they seem to be a winner in this space for now. I think I feel duty bound to say, look, they've sold about 10,000, maybe fewer than 10,000 cars so far. They have some very ambitious and expensive new model plans that they have to execute over the next 1 to 3 years. It's going to cost them $1 billion, probably, according to an interview I had with Elon Musk last week, to get this new sedan line, more affordable sedan line, into the market over the next 3 or 4 years. So they are a great story. Everybody loves the story, but it's a story in progress right now.
You know, Elon Musk, he co-founded the online payment service PayPal. That eBay acquired that in 2002. He later had success with software firm Zip2, which Compaq bought in 1999. The guy seems to have a pretty good track record for picking winners. But wasn't there a time, Joe, when people sort of worried that Tesla's future was kind of going to run off the road?
Absolutely. As recently as about a year ago, the company faced a cash squeeze, and they had to renegotiate terms of this federal loan that they just paid off earlier this month in order to get some breathing space. I mean, and Elon Musk himself has talked about this. I mean, they were up against it a couple of times during the recession and subsequently, and he's put a lot of his own money into this company to keep it rolling. You know, now the market investors seem to believe in him. Now the cars are selling. Now he has a visibility toward making money on the cars themselves, as opposed to selling electric car credits. All of this has to be proven out, but he's on track to do these things, and I think you've got a lot of investors who are very, very excited about this, and they think that he's got the better mousetrap when it comes to electric cars. He's certainly got a great brand. That is clear.
And at least for now, that's putting extra money potentially in his pocket, another $2.9 billion between that and SolarCity. Thanks so much, Joe White. We appreciate that report.